Question 7. We have a rectangle here, A, B, C, D. And we need to calculate the length of the diagonal AC. So that line here is a diagonal, and that's your AC. That's called diagonal. You can see that's the longest side. It's a rectangle. It means that this is a right angle here. That's 90 degrees. And that's right angle here. So 90 degrees. So we go to right angle triangle here. And we're looking for the longest side here. So this is a straightforward. And the longest side here is C here. So you can call that A, you can call that B. Applying the Pythagoras formula here. So that will be C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Now, it doesn't matter which one you call A or B, remember, this has to be C. And so what you can do now is, it's a straightforward calculation. We need to find C. So we need to say C is, we know it's plus or minus root A squared plus B squared. Plus means you can get a plus value and a negative value. So you can get two values. But we don't want the negative value because that's not negative. So we can just carry on by writing that as just root A squared plus B squared. Now, we now need to populate this with its value. So that would be root A is 8. So that would be 8 squared. B is 17. That would be 17 squared. And that's C. So that C then equals to root 64 plus 289. And that would be equal to root of 353. And this is the exact value for C. So C is root 353 is the exact value. In case they ask you to find the exact value. But we don't want the exact value. So we want the actual value in decimal place. So we got, just to punch that in again, just to see, that's 8 squared plus 17 squared, in case I missed that. And you're going to get that root of 353. And this is the exact value, but you don't want the exact value because it tells you to find in decimal place. So you have to press standard to decimal, 1 decimal place. This is 0.1 decimal place, which is 7. And 8 is the next value, so you have to round it up. So that will be C equals 18.8. So you can put centimeters, so it's 18.8. So that's your answer.